2 minutes. Or at least this hard. This is amazing. Wow. Shut the window.
What?
Just go ahead. Oh, wow. Shut the window. Close the window. That's enough. I think we have enough. Snow. No, there are people are freezing on this bus, and there's some people that wear skirts on this bus. Somebody. I don't want to pinpoint them. Yes. I didn't mean to. Are you wearing a skirt? It's amazing. Hello, senor. Now I got it. I can't put this on Facebook. I got some bad kids on this bus.
Imagine the people that have to walk home.
Quit doing that. You're so immature. Don't be a middle schooler. Anyway, but geez. You're already fogging the window. This snow was not here 20 seconds ago.
This snow,
Actually, about 3 minutes ago.
This snow took 3 minutes to get this much.
We might not
Dude, what? It's like a blizzard outside.
I swear.
Your mama is a blizzard.
If you give it about 10 more minutes, maybe 30 even, somewhere around there, we probably wouldn't go to school tomorrow.
If it was this morning, we wouldn't be going to school today.
Oh,
3 minutes ago, it wasn't even here. I know! But you say eventually the snow would be here.
our body heat is like adding up.
Why does everybody have to yell?
I'm recording.
Why does everybody have to scream?
I don't know. Hey! Everybody just take it one night. You shut up. Where did you just tell off? The tell off.
It's like white. I wonder where the window is.
That guy. Little kid right there. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with that kid. Yeah, I'm putting this on Facebook. I wonder if I can get a bleeper though. There's bad words from it now.
Hey, Bria, I don't have any food. I don't have any food. I just gotta go there.
We already fogged up all the windows.
Mine's not, see?
You have to keep rubbing it for like 2 minutes. Actually, every 30 seconds. About a minute. This is pretty intense.
Let it snow.
You can't see it on the camera.
It's so intense, you can't see it. It's over like that.
Here, let me get
Shut up, man.
let me get a closer view.
Already over on down. Started.
You can't even see anymore. Even if you're looking off the camera, you can't even see anymore.
We're moving too fast. I can see it. It's hard to.
I can see it, but the snow's moving fast. Not us. The snow is.
Well, we both kind of are. The snow does have an illusion, you know. Snow has an illusion to make you think it's going faster than it is when you're in.
See now, look, it's going pretty fast.
Yeah, see, it's actually going straight down on us. A little sideways to us, but it's because of the bus. I don't think I can see that much.
I spent money on that.
That's not bad. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm just that was busted.
What's that? Dude, they left their German Shepherd outside.
German Shepherd?
Yeah.
It's okay. I think he's evolved for that. He has a coat. He does in fact have a jacket.
A big one.
It's a natural one. Yes.
Maybe it's older.
Cool. But I really wish you'd make up your own ideas. That's good though.
I tried. And then you did something.
I know it's hard. No. When you made it, it wasn't your idea. You made Goku, Vegeta, Super Saiyan. That's not made up. That's combined.
This one ain't combined.
That's a fan fiction.
This is combined.
I know. It's still a fan fiction.
Let me see.
That's butter.
This is combination. This one I made up.
That's butter, but do a different animal because they're all hedgehogs. Really, come on.
Yeah, but I don't know how to draw a fox or a bat or
Try it, man. You can keep drawing those things, just
I have a go-gurt.
Yeah, but the hedgehog's like the
that's not true. Don't you remember Jeff the Hawk?
I'll bring you one tomorrow.
I like him. Dude, birds are awesome, dude. No, you know who you would be? Whatever. Jeez, the tennis court. Well, I'm not playing tennis anymore. Anytime soon.
It looks like it's already covered with like ice and everything.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be hard to play. That ball would not bounce.
And skateboarding, going up the ramp.
Maybe this will be on the news. What do you think?
And this is after what, 5 minutes?
Actually, about 8, 9. I've been recording ever since we left. 8 minutes.
Holy crap! We're gonna have a lot of stuff.
Dude, it actually is moving fast.
It's like a cannon now, like it's going choo choo choo. See, it's like a cannon going choo 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 choo.
You probably can't see it on the screen.
I told you it was moving fast. Dude, look at the branches over there.
You can't see it, but there's a lot of snow there. Whoever might be watching.
It'd be bad if we got stuck on the road.